Ever visited a website that takes forever to load? You just wait and wait and wait and finally just leave. Well, you are not alone. Studies suggest that 40% of the users leave a website if it does not load in the first 3 seconds. And if you think it's just a minor inconvenience, then think again. Because poor websites can literally kill businesses. So in this video, we are going to break down how exactly web performance matters, how it impacts user experience, SEO, and even revenue, and why every front-end developer should focus on it in 2025. Let's talk numbers now. Amazon found out that just 1 second delay can cost them $1.6 billion in sales throughout the year. That's just insane, right? But it's not just Amazon. Walmart, Google, and every major tech company invest heavily in web performance because speed directly affects revenue. Just think about it. A faster site means more engagement, more conversions, and happier users. A slow site, on the other hand, that means high bounce rates, lower SEO ranking, and lost customers. So here's the thing. In this world of shorts and reels, users expect instant experiences. If your site is slow, the users won't wait. They will just move on to the next competitor of yours. 53% of mobile users abandon a site if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. And the worst part is, most users never come back. And it's not just about users. Google tracks how fast your website loads and then ranks it accordingly. If your site is slow, your SEO suffers. Lower rankings equals to fewer visitors and less revenue. Simple as that. Now let's discuss this. Why do websites become slow? There are a lot of reasons for this. Unoptimized images, which means huge images that takes forever to load. Too much JavaScript, heavy JavaScript slows down rendering. Render blocking resources, CSS and JavaScript files delaying page load. Too many third-party scripts, ads, analytics, and trackers eat up your time. No caching or CDN, serving files inefficiently across the world. We have discussed about the problems, the issues. But now comes the good part. In this series, we are going to fix all these issues step by step so that your site loads in the blink of an eye. But before you fix performance, you need to measure it, if it's poor or not. Here are some of the best tools to measure your web speed. Google Lighthouse gives a performance score and recommendations. Web page test show detailed network performance. Chrome DevTools helps debug slow scripts and rendering issues. If your LCP is above 2.5 seconds and your CLS is high, then Google will penalize your website and rankings. So we need to get these scores in check. Web performance is not just about speed anymore. As front-end developers, we need to optimize everything, from images to fonts. In this series, we'll dive into each web performance factor and learn how to make websites insanely fast. So if you're serious about becoming a top front-end developer, then hit the subscribe button. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest performance challenge you have ever faced as a front-end developer? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, this is just the intro or the first episode of the series. We'll cover each and everything in detail in the coming videos. So if you found this valuable, smash the like button and share it with your fellow devs. And stay tuned for the next episode.